Tired of juggling a million tabs just to manage your website's analytics? Let's simplify everything by connecting Google Tag Manager to SiteKit on your WordPress site, making managing your Google services a breeze, right from your dashboard. First, ensure you have both the SiteKit plugin and Google Tag Manager installed and activated in your WordPress environment. Then from your WordPress dashboard, navigate to SiteKit and look for the Connect More Services option. You'll see a list of available Google services. Find Tag Manager within this list and click the Connect Service button. You'll be prompted to sign in with the Google account associated with your Google Tag Manager container. Select the appropriate Google account. Grant SiteKit the necessary permissions to access your Tag Manager account. This allows SiteKit to deploy the Tag Manager container snippet on your website. Next, choose the Google Tag Manager container you want to use on your website from the drop-down menu. Make sure the container is properly configured with your desired tags, triggers, and variables. Review your settings to ensure the correct container is selected. You should see the container ID displayed. If everything looks good, save your changes. Congratulations! Google Tag Manager is now connected to SiteKit. You can manage your Tag Manager settings and view data directly from your WordPress dashboard, streamlining your workflow and improving your website's performance.